Today we discuss the dissertation made by the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar. The Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar made the research guidance at the Portland State University PDX Scholar. Supply chain. The title was the Supply Chain Risk Management in India, an empirical study of sourcing and operations, disruptions, their frequency, severity, mitigation methods, and expectations. The student is Andrew Udbe, Portland State University, and this is Doctor Philosophy in the Business Administration in 2014. The dissertation committee are the Manoj Kumar chair was there, Timothy R. Anderson is there, David P. M. Rafalo is there, Wayne Wackland is there. Abstract of the thesis is the with an annual growth of the 20% since the year 2000, Indian merchandise export exceeded 300 billion US dollar in 2012. The country is becoming a major supplier to the world. However, companies sourcing products and operating in India are experiencing a variety of supply chain disruption that impede their operations and finances. The purpose of this dissertation is to investigate the frequency, impact, and severity of supply chain risk experienced by companies in India, as well as assess the usefulness of mitigation methods and inquiry about future expected disruptions. It is hoped that the results will prepare managers to better prioritize their supply chain risk management efforts and investment. The scope of this study is upstream sourcing operations and disruption that affected Indian supply chain over the past 3 years, including the areas of the logistics and transportation. The methodology is quantitative empirical study using a survey of instrument in the form of the questionnaire distributed electronically to the thousand of members of four dominant trade association in India. The platform of the questionnaire is modification of the traditional risk analysis progression, mapping, identifying, assessing, mitigating, and improving, also dubbed Miami. The main findings are the three of the major significant differences in the severity, frequency, impact between the 13 risk category presented. There are also significant group differences among the respondents. Traditional mitigation methods differ with respect to usefulness and expected risk are somewhat different that past risk conclusions reached are that the chronic risks such as inadequate transportation, logistic and utility infrastructure, supplier and labor problem, the bureaucracy red tape are more severe than the highly publicized and visible risks such as natural disaster, terrorism and crime. Traditional mitigation methods are useful for many of the disruptions, but ineffective for non-physical risks. There is certain optimism with respect to future infrastructure related disruption. Limitation in the study include a relative response rate, the classic difficulty in risk analysis or comparing the scaling and impact of the disruption, and that is it is not find gained through the full describe and specific industry sectors. This should contribute to the field of the supply chain risk management by adding precision empirical formation of the market. These are the table of content of the thesis dissertation. These are the different tables. Here the introduction. Some background on India, the rise of India. Merchandise exports, service exports. Upstream focus of the dissertation.